So we've all been there. We finally found a winning product, spent days perfecting our ads and our store, and have never been more excited for a smooth launch into profits using TikTok ads. And then we wake up the next morning just to find out that our TikTok account didn't even give us a chance. But after spending multi-six figures on TikTok ads, networking with 7- and 8-figure TikTok dropshippers, and talking to TikTok representatives, I've finally figured out the fix to this problem. I know exactly why this happens, and I've figured out the most efficient way to fix it so that you can relaunch again and find success. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Nathan and I'm a 21-year-old e-commerce entrepreneur. Just before we jump into this here, I do want to announce the weekly giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, comment one thing down below, and go ahead and smash that like button. Those 3 things and you're automatically entered. The winner will be announced at some point in next week's video. And the giveaway is for a custom-built Shopify dropshipping store equipped with the winning product and everything, built by my team and I at Outright Ecom. Now, diving straight into this, there might be a few different scenarios as to why your ads aren't spending, but regardless, the reason stands the same. Your ad account is not optimized, and TikTok actually doesn't want to see you throw away any money without getting any type of results.
He's got to be an idiot to put those on social media.
Remember, TikTok wants to take your money as much as possible. But why would they take just $100 from you when they can take 10 million? Let me explain. So what I'm saying here is they want you to succeed. They want you to go ahead and spend a ton of money on their platform and achieve great results. And in doing so, you'll keep coming back and you'll keep spending. And if you're not set up properly, you won't get any results. Thus, they don't want you to keep spending because then you're just gonna leave the platform. Now, with agency accounts or accounts that I've already spent thousands of dollars on, I typically never have this issue because TikTok knows that I know what I'm doing and they give me free reign to go ahead and spend my money how I want it. We'll touch on agency accounts just a bit later. The issue of your ads not spending typically happens on a brand new TikTok account that hasn't achieved any spend or results yet. So yes, you're probably thinking this is all common sense, and you're probably already wondering what you can do to set yourself up for success and not have this problem upon launch. And here's how you do it. So much like Facebook, TikTok actually has a learning phase as well. And to exit this learning phase on a conversion campaign, you have to show TikTok that your campaign can generate at least 50 conversions within 1 week or 7 days. But for TikTok to even want to spend your budget, they have to first believe that you can actually achieve those results and hit those metrics to exit the learning phase. And if they're not spending any of your budget, it's because they don't believe that you can do so.
I'm sorry, it's just not gonna happen.
So what you need to do first, obviously, if you believe that your campaign is going to be successful, is you need to show them that you can hit those conversion metrics on a lesser event. So what you need to do to show them that you can actually exit the learning phase and hit those conversion metrics is you need to choose an easier objective first, like page views or add to carts. Now, the proven strategy that has worked for me about 80% of the time has simply been opening up a brand new traffic campaign and just spending $20 on it for the following day. After you've done this, the next step is to simply go to sleep and watch your ad account burn through $20 the next day with likely no results. But don't worry, your account is still gathering very much important data that it can later use, and is also getting you ready to launch that conversion campaign with the complete payment objective, which is obviously what you're looking for. Now, like I said, this will fix your account spending issues about 80% of the time. If your account still isn't spending, and yes, this has happened to me as well, then again, spend another $20 the next day, but this time the conversion objective, set it to add to cart. And repeat that same process every single day, just getting closer and closer to the event you desired, which in this case is complete payment. If none of that worked for you, the next alternative that's easiest and most likely to work is to simply open up a brand new TikTok ad account. Now, for the rest of the cases, it's likely due to your creatives themselves. Some of these small things that I'm about to break down right now actually affect the algorithm, and don't ask me why. The TikTok algorithm is wildly complex and it's still in its early stages, but one thing that I've noticed is black borders around TikTok ad creatives, okay? For whatever reason, again, don't ask me why, they don't like to spend money on creatives that have black borders. The second thing is creatives that have already been used by somebody else. So if you're just ripping content from another brand or stealing it, they might not disable your ad account or disable your ads right away. They just simply won't push your ads out. The creative needs to be TikTok friendly, appeal to its intended audience. You need to make sure you followed all the community guidelines before you launch your creatives. And of course, the creatives need to be original and unique content. I also found the timing kind of matters. So usually 20 to 40 seconds is a solid time frame for your TikTok ad. Anything less than that, and oftentimes it won't spend. Anything more than that, and I typically don't find the same results I do as when it's within those parameters. Another thing is your targeting might be too specific. Okay, so usually I like to shoot for 10 million to 15 million plus. I think that's a pretty solid entry point, but anything below that, and your TikTok ads might not be spending because your audience is too niche or too defined. Another thing you could do is you could try split testing 2 campaigns, but with one of them, turn on the recommended interest. Oftentimes TikTok will recommend you a group of interests to add. Select that and just see what happens. And the last tip for the algorithm here is having more creatives, right? So if you only give them 1 or 2 creatives to work with, TikTok might say, I don't really like those creatives. I don't think the audience will respond to them well, and they just don't want to push them out. So make sure you give them at least 3, 4, 5. I mean, the more the merrier. The more TikTok ads you have, the better your chance of success anyway, so it's always good practice. But if you just want peace of mind and you don't want to have to deal with the whole hassle of your ads not spending, while also being able to target almost all geographical locations and all markets, have maximum support from TikTok, and get access to special insights and tools, you might want to think about opening up an agency account. Now, these TikTok ad agency accounts are not that easy to come by, and chances are if you go ahead and look them up on Google and click one of the first recommendations, then you're gonna either pay a ton of money to acquire one of these accounts, or you're gonna have to pay a percentage of every single dollar that you spend on ads, because you don't technically own the account, you're just gonna be renting the account from someone, and they're gonna be making a lot of money off of you. So if you are gonna go this route, make sure you do your own research and due diligence before diving in and paying someone an arm and a leg to acquire a TikTok ad agency account. But if you want the easy way out with this, my team and I actually do have a bunch of extra agency accounts. Now, these are first come, first serve, and the supply is very limited. You'll have guaranteed no issues with your ad spending. You can attach your credit card so you can top up your balance, and you won't have to send wire transfers over to the account, which can take time. Additionally, you can create as many ad accounts you want from the business manager, and you can also bypass the 20% EU VAT taxes. I won't go super into detail on these accounts right now, but if you do want your chance to acquire one, all you have to do is go ahead and DM me the word TikTok ad agency account on Instagram, and I'll send you over all the details, and we'll see if you're a good fit to take one over. But with that, I guarantee you that if you followed all the steps outlined in this video, in no time you'll be able to launch a successful TikTok ad campaign and have no issues with spend, or maybe just have to burn through $20 or $40 before you can get your conversion campaign to actually go ahead and spend. I have hundreds of students in my program inside Outright Ecom, and we've all managed to get by just by using the tactics explained in this video. By the way, the winner from last week's video for the custom built store giveaway is Peachy. So if that's you, congratulations. Go ahead and DM me on Instagram. We'll get right in the works of setting up your store. And if that's not you, all you have to do again is smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment one thing insightful down below, and you're automatically entered for your chance to win, in which I'll announce in next week's video. Additionally, if you guys are interested in taking your e-commerce game to that next level and working alongside me and the Outright Ecom team, the first link down below will be a formal application and discovery call. So you can go ahead and fill that out, but I please ask you to only fill it out if you are serious about working with us, because it will take away time from other people who are, and our calendars are constantly booked up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you a million times for all the support lately. It's been crazy. Until next time, peace out.
Perfect.